It's titled free. Once again, I didn't know what to call these, so I just called them Type Beat. Free Type Beat 2021 Orbit hip hop / rap instrumental. Let's go. That was cool. This just goes to show like how simple some things can be. Like I feel like I took a lot of textures, a lot of the loops, a lot of the melodies, and I just kind of like pitch shifted things. Like I may have printed them and then like shifted things up and shifted things down as the arrangement goes on, just to create variation, because I feel like I'm not getting bored, even though I feel like I'm listening to kind of the same thing over and over again. Like just small little changes, small little like pitch shifts, pitching up, pitching down, even though it's like almost the same loop. I'm not getting tired, I'm not getting bored of it. Like I don't do that as much now anymore. Like I definitely do, but like I feel like I did it a lot more back then because I was limited on my music production. I was limited on my music theory, and I didn't know what to do sometimes, or how to add something new without making it sound harsh, or without making it sound like it just didn't fit at all. So a lot of times I just use the pitch it up, pitch it down trick to make things fit better, or just to make things fit in general, because I didn't know what else to do. So I definitely need to take notes from my older self and go back to doing some of that, because I feel like I don't do that as much anymore. Do we have time for one more? Can we talk about how hard this beat is? This is hitting hard already. Like, what was I doing? Is it the Fruity Soft Clipper? Is it because I'm using the T-Rex Clipper instead of the Fruity Soft Clipper right now? Because this shit is hard. Like, I'm jealous of the way my beats sounded back then right now. And this is when I first got started. Yo, this beat is crispy. To be honest, I had to turn my speakers down, to turn the volume down on my car, because I'm afraid that I'm going to blow a speaker or something. But this beat is crispy. Like everything about the kick, the 808, the snare, the clap. I think it's a clap, not a snare. This is a crispy beat. the hi-hat too, the open hat is like, psst, like it's super crispy. Okay, so that build-up section was kind of whack, but that turnaround was dope. I think we could do without that build-up section though. I think if I redo this beat and just get rid of that build-up and somehow just turn around, I might have to do that, because this thing is, oh my god, can you not like run me off the road here? God dang. I'm glad I got my camera rolling in case this guy runs me off the road, because geez, he's crazy right now. Anyway, we need to revisit this beat because it is hitting. This also, I feel like, should have gotten way more attention back then. I don't know what was going on. I don't know if I probably just wasn't tagging things the right way, to be honest. The free tight beat, and I was too scared to put any sort of genre or artist, because I didn't know who to put down, and I thought maybe people would make fun of me for putting down the wrong artist. Dude, who cares? Put down whatever. Put down whatever you think. It's your beat. This is a message to my younger self, by the way. Put down whoever, because in the end it doesn't matter.